I'm Leilani Nakamura, Director of Infrastructure Operations here at CloneForce. Today, I'll be guiding you through a deep dive into the knowledge system in Clone Studio. We'll explore how vector databases work behind the scenes, best practices for training your clone, and how to upload the right knowledge files to make your digital teammate smarter and more effective. Whether you're just getting started or looking to optimize your workflow, this walkthrough will help you unlock the full power of your clone's real-time intelligence. Let's start by visualizing what powers your clone's intelligence, the vector database. As you can see in this diagram, knowledge files like text documents, markdown files, PDFs, and style guides are first ingested into the system. Each file is broken down and converted into mathematical fingerprints called vectors. These vectors are stored in a central vector database. When you or your team ask your clone a question, the clone queries this vector database in real time. It doesn't just look for keywords, it searches for the closest match in meaning, pulling up the most relevant information from everything you've uploaded. This is what enables your clone to deliver context-rich, accurate responses instantly, even as your knowledge base grows. Now, let's see how this works in Clone Studio. Navigate to the Knowledge tab. Here, you'll upload your files. Drag and drop .md or .txt files for best results, or paste a public URL to scan web content. Once uploaded, the system processes and indexes each document into the vector database, making it immediately available for your clone to reference. Click on any uploaded file to review its extracted content. This lets you verify exactly what your clone has learned and ensure your knowledge base is accurate and up to date. You can also automate knowledge ingestion using skills like PDF to text or the research skill. For example, run a research report, export the findings as a text file, and upload it directly into your knowledge base. This keeps your clone current with the latest insights and strategies. Let's highlight a few best practices for training your clone. Upload well-structured, clear documents in .txt or .md format. Regularly update and curate your files to keep knowledge fresh. Maintain a style guide in your knowledge base for brand consistency. Include colors, logos, iconography, and even HTML samples. After uploading, test your clone with targeted queries to confirm it's referencing the right information. For the most effective clone, make sure your knowledge base includes detailed bios of key people. Make these as rich and specific as possible. For example, upload a comprehensive background doc like the Scott Bogdan profile. Style guides in .txt or .md format. Company SOPs, marketing collateral, sample emails and writing examples, compliance policies, product technical specs, training modules, customer profiles, research reports, internal memos, FAQs, and templates. The more relevant and detailed your knowledge base, the more context-aware and accurate your clone will be. Now, let's see this in action. Ask your clone a question that requires knowledge from an uploaded file, like, "What's our primary brand color?" or "Summarize our onboarding SOP." Notice how your clone delivers precise, context-aware answers by retrieving information directly from your knowledge base. If you ask a question before uploading a document, your clone may not know the answer. But as soon as you upload and index the file, it can respond with detailed, relevant information in real time. This is the true power of vector search, enabling your clone to reason, synthesize, and deliver insights on demand. By leveraging the Knowledge tab and Vector database, you're not just storing information, you're empowering your clone to think, reason, and deliver insights when you need them most. Keep your knowledge base up to date, upload your style guides and research, and watch your clone become the smartest teammate in your organization. For more tips and advanced workflows, check out our other CloneForce training videos.